Hey there, a nice feature you have in Dynamics 365 and in any model-driven app you build is the Quick Create. With the Quick Create you can enable the capture of new data in a very easy and streamlined fashion. Let's take a look at it. So we got here a solution for managing support cases, and we can go into the table and create a new record the standard way. Okay, so let's give it a name, submitted by Robert, priority low, save and close. But at times you don't want to leave the screen you're in or even stop fully what you're doing. So you can come in here and click the plus sign and use the Quick Create. As you can see, account and contact are also here. These are standard tables and they come enabled for Quick Create as default, but you can put your own custom tables here, enabling them for Quick Create. So let's click here and give it a name. Okay, another case, priority, submitted by Maria, and save and close, and we never left the contact table. Just to check, the case is there. Give it a try.